one more thing, we have one more feature is redeploy and reapply. Okay, if you want to, if your machine is not coming up, if you are unable to take the RDP of that machine and your machine is running, your machine is showing running, but you are unable to take the RDP. Uh, you have taken all the troubleshooting steps for this machine, but it is not working, still not working, still not coming up the RDP and the other connection, and the machine is showing status running. Then we have one option here to redeploy this machine. Redeploy means, go to the paint. Let's explain into the paint. This is the Microsoft data center, and in Microsoft data center we have a virtual machine over here and here and here, sorry, here, and one more is here. So a we have a virtual machine over here. I am on the Google Chrome browser right now, and I have one machine uh, on the panel connected with that particular virtual machine. So my machine is not working currently. I am unable to take the RDP. My connection is not working properly on that machine. In the background, machine is connected to the Microsoft data center. In Microsoft data center, suppose this is the machine which I have in the Google Chrome panel or in the Azure cloud panel. This is the Azure cloud panel and this is my physical server. So if I am unable to take the RDP of that machine, if I am unable to do something on that machine, then I have one more option here. I have one more option here is redeploy. So redeploy means, sorry, redeploy. We have one more option is redeploy. So it will create a same infrastructure or the same resources to me. It will create a same infrastructure and same resources to me and deploy this same configuration to another machine and provide connectivity to me. Got it? It will provide me the same configuration and same thing, same disk, same network, and it's redeploy to the another host. It redeployed my machine to the another host. Same as we in VMware, we have vMotion feature. So we can redeploy our machine. Got it, Rahil and Sandeep?
Yeah,
So
but how about the services? If suppose if I have installed IAS or Apache Web Server, so that features
same
also will.
services you will got all your
Yeah.
same configuration, same services, same installed softwares, all the things are same, but only the host is changed, only the physical host is changed. You are not uh, uh, you don't have to take care about the things what the physical server is used here. It can moved into the background. It's moved into the background. When you redeploy, click on the redeployed option, then it will redeploy your current configuration to the another host. Got it?
Okay. Yeah, yeah.
It will redeploy your current configuration and all your application, virtual network disk to the another host.
Okay.
So
So
you don't care about the all the things related like that, and what disk you have, what the network you have. No need to take care of that thing. Simply click on the redeploy, then your things will be in the running condition. Okay, you can simply go through the here option in the left side. We have one more option, redeploy. Okay, redeploy, you can see can't connect to the virtual machine. If you are not able to connect to your machine, then you can use this option. Okay. If your machine in the failed state, then you can reapply. Okay. Try redeploying your virtual machine, which will migrate it to a new Azure host. It means it will migrate your all the data and all the configuration to a new host. Got it?
So it is also same, right? Same configuration network.
Yes, same. All the things are same. All the things are same, but your machine is in the working condition. So if you continue, the virtual machine will be restarted. You will lose any data on the temporary drive. So on the temporary disk, you may lose a data, but on the data disk, 100% sure your data will be not lost. Okay, but you can lose your data on the temporary drive. Okay, your machine will be restarted once, and while the redeployment is in process, the virtual machine will be unavailable. Okay, if I write some data into the temporary disk, I'm not maybe sometime I'm not able to recover my temporary data. Okay, as we have the temporary disk in the virtual machine, I can show you. So as you can see, I have temporary disk. If I save something on that machine on this drive, so I will lose my all the data while I restart the machine or when I restart this machine. Got it? So when I apply to the redeploy, when I apply for the redeploy, it will restart my machine and also I will lose my data on the temporary drive. While the deployment is in process, the virtual machine will be unavailable. Okay, you can select this option when when you are unable to connect with the virtual machine. Got it, Sandeep?
Yes.
Yeah. So we think uh, we almost completed all the topics related to the virtual machine.